headers are super handy for keeping navigation or important info visible to your users as they scroll. Now let's create one together in just few easy steps. Step 1, basic header structure. Now how do you go about that? You go to your VS Code editor, create a basic HTML template by making the exclamation mark enter, right? Now let's change this title to something else. Say sticky header, okay? Sticky header, right? Now, first of all, for you to be able to create a sticky header, you have to make use of the header tag, right? Inside of your body tag. So come to your body tag, which is this, and then come here and then say header. Automatically you create an header tag. Now let's create a H1 tag that says my sticky header. So my sticky header. Okay, and let's see how it is shown on our browser. Right? Good. As you can see, guys, my sticky header. Right? So after your sticky header, you come here and then create a div. You create a div where your content goes. So let's say me create a p tag that has something. Let's say your content, any content should go here. So let's just get something, anything save time. Alright. Okay, that is it. Now this gives you a basic header above your content, right? Now time to make it sticky. Step 2, make it sticky with CSS. Now here's the magic to make the header stay on one place. How do you go about that? You come to your head tag, which is here, and then make use of this style tag. Style, right? Then we are going to style the header, which is header. Okay. Then we make use of the position, and then we call it sticky. You see it here, sticky. All right. Then we say top. Top should be just 0, right? Then we'll give it a background color of say blue. Right? Then we'll give it a padding of say 10 pixels, right? And then lastly a Z index of say 1,000 could do 1,000. Yes. Okay. Now this way your header sticks to the top as you scroll. Like even if you have a lot of things here, it will keep. Okay, let me just create a lot of things. So let's just go to our let's go and get a write up. Let's get a write up on something so I can practicalize what I mean by that. Well, this is long process. Let's say a write up. Write up on food. Write up on food. So I'm just basically looking for somewhere I can copy content from. So let's just copy this content and put on our page. Okay. Oh. So let's do that again. Let's copy this. Copy. Then let's come and put it on our page. So we particularize what I'm talking about. So let's come here, this key, and then let's place that here. All right. Let's put capital F. Okay. Now let's view that. You see, guys. Now this is our page. If we were to scroll, it will this our header will still remain sticky at the top. This see, guys, it remains sticky. But if I want to take this off, this position take away from here. But to scroll, it will scroll with our page. You see, guys, to scroll with our page. But if I want to bring it back and say sticky, it will be there even if we are scrolling. So that's basically how to create a sticky header on your page. Now step 3 is add a drop shadow for style. Now if you want this header to pop, if you want it to pop, you can add a subtle shadow. And how do you go about that, guys? How do you go about that? All you have to do is to come here, come back to your header page here, right? Come back here, and then you could say, you could create a box shadow. That's here. A box shadow of 0, 2px, that's 2 pixels, that's left, say 5 pixels, right? And then a color of, say, this color is okay actually. Okay, let's just say RGBA of 0, 0 and 0.3. Okay, that's like a black color. So now, guys, this is how to actually create a shadow box for your sticky header. Now, a bonus tip, you can use a sticky header for navigation in the sense that you can combine this technique with a navigation bar for a professional look. How do you go about that? Instead of having this thing saying my sticky header, you can then put in a nav, right? And that means you come here, take this off, right? Take this off and create a nav bar. That is a nav that has an another list, right, of li tag, a link that goes to a home page. Let's just say // tips, and then here we'll be saying home, right? Now let's replace this. Copy. Let's duplicate this. Paste. So this one will be going to about / about page. Then here we just say about. You see, guys. So we can also style this, right? You can style this by, let's just come here and style it and just say nav ul li a, and then would say the position should be relative, and then justified content should be center. So to be at the center, and then you should give it a display of flex, so that's our justified content to work. And then I think we should remove this bullet point that is showing. But anyways, that's just more about styling. I hope you all get the point. So now, guys, sticky headers are a small change that makes a huge impact, because your users can scroll around your page without having that particular header to go off. Now give it a try and see how it transforms your website. See you on my next video.